Saturday. We are off to Aldi's. We love going down this country road. Some of y'all say you love the country roads as much as we do. Hey guys,
Not a fan of the country roads here. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is another Pinkberry 1, 2, 3 video. I haven't done one of these in a while. This one is called New Aldi / have coupons for lunch / Burger King. So let's just jump into it.
we haven't went shopping yet. We're getting some lunch first at Burger King. Get some Whopper. Hey guys, I just got a burger.
Oh.
And then I took 4 of Tim's onion rings and put on there. And that is my lunch for today. First meal of the day.
Okay. First of all, not gonna lie, that does look good. I haven't had a Whopper in probably years. But she says she put 4 of Tim's onion rings on her burger. Here in Canada land, that's probably like half a little packet or a little container they give you of onion rings. I would be pissed if someone stole 4 of my onion rings. Steal a fry here or there, 4 onion rings, no. Now, ma'am, you just got back from the doctor last week, and the doctor said for your diabetes, your numbers aren't super bad, but they're not where they should be. So why are you having this? Why? I do know why. She does have a food addiction. You know what? I wish people who are diagnosed with any sort of health issues that were weight related, which is a shit ton, I wish there was mandatory therapy or some sort of counseling for their eating disorder, because you know what? You are not going to get your body right if you don't get your mind right. So just saying that. Yeah, so as well, first meal, just because you didn't eat anything in the morning doesn't mean you have to have a hamburger. That's pretty much erasing any fasting you did, and then some.
We're having chicken and homemade noodles for dinner tonight. Not made by me though. Never made homemade noodles. As lunch is over, now we're going into Aldi's. It's supposed to be really hot today and tomorrow and the next day. So, and then
I had to throw that in. She always does this stupid, weather report. It's raining. It's sunny. We see it's sunny. Thank you. Pinkberry, what are those things called? Meteorologist. Is that what they're called? Yes. Sorry. My brain is all over the place. By the way, guys, please subscribe, leave a comment down below. Maybe tell me how many onion rings you eat off of someone else's bag.
Next week, not so hot. It's only in the 60s. So.
That just sounded really dirty. Why? Don't eat onion rings off of anyone's bag, ladies. That probably is a thing. Okay, let's just keep going. Focus, KJ, focus.
Might run over there to that magic tunnel when we get out. You never know about us.
Oh, okay, ladies, leave a comment down below if you nicknamed your JJ the magic tunnel. Okay, I'll stop.
Here we go. Oh no. We walk in here and one I used to go to, they had vegetables here. Now they got the pizza here. I like this one because it's only 220 calories. Someone get me one. These bags of salad are so much cheaper here. I don't care for this pizza one. Bacon ranch avocado. I'll get that one. And their spinach leaf is so cheap, $1.55.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, good job getting the produce. Yay, Pinkberry. You in the States, I know Aldi is a discount store. You guys taught me that. But your produce is a lot cheaper than ours here. Those little chopped salad bags here is probably $4.99, $5.99, sometimes even $6.99 depending which store you go to.
Strawberries. gonna have strawberries for dessert. We tried those s'mores cookies. They were okay. No one ever see one. No one ever see one.
All right, you heard that twice. I need my pink Faranese translators. Someone from the embassy, step up. Let me know what she said there. Leave a comment, and you will get a sparkly heart from me if you can decipher what she just said.
We got banana too.
We got banana and blueberry. Tried the blueberry either. Oh, try whichever one you want there. We ain't tried these cookies before either. Look at those. We usually get one sweet treat something from here.
Peanut butter?
Oh, peanut. Oh, so that's a
Peanut
mixture.
butter chips. It's
Oh,
got
they're $1
everything.
off. What's the date on them?
Today.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Tim, I knew you and me, we're vibing. I will get $1 off cookies, for sure. Nothing wrong with that.
Go get one pack.
Oh,
I
her
haven't eaten
wraps.
too many carbs, but we need bread. We ain't had bread in forever. I think that's some white bread there, but oh, look, croissant buns.
Yeah.
This would be good with some eggs and bacon. Oh, yeah. Sandwiches, but too much for me. Ooh, that's my favorite cookie. Oreos. I think I'll get some. Oh, they.
I don't know. Did she eat that Burger King before or after? She seems awfully hungry going shopping. Just a quick note about that brown bread. And I'm sure people who are diabetic have gone to diabetic clinics, talked to a dietitian. You really have to watch those labels, especially like for the whole wheat bread. Can actually have just as much sugar as white bread. Just saying. And those croissant buns, never seen them here. And she's not wrong. Like a good runny egg on that would be chef's kiss. By the way, I chopped this up a lot because there is a lot of browsing at cheese. Just so you know. So it's going to be a quickie today.
Got pumpkin spice zero. Tell you if you tried it, you need some. Look good. I like getting the cheese chunks to put in my salads. I don't even see any cheese sticks. Oh wow, those went up. They were $1.59. Now they're $1.
What are those? Are those processed cheese slices or... No, I guess they're the brick. So I don't understand. People, I've said this countless times about the cheese, the pre-shredded cheese. Listen, shredding cheese is, I'll agree, one of the worst jobs in the kitchen. But just shred your own cheese. They put cellulose on it so it doesn't stick together in the bag. And then when you go and sprinkle it on, your nice lasagna or baked ziti, you put it in the oven and you expect to get that nice cheese pull, you won't, because the cheese is separated by that cellulose. And why do you want to eat cellulose? And it's usually cheaper to buy the brick and just grate it. Cheese PSA done.
$1.99. Okay, the cheese is over here. Cheese sticks. I still don't see the cheese cubes.
Oh, okay, and that's it because we spend a lot of time, like I said, looking for cheese. Guys, I appreciate you all watching this. Leave a comment down below. Maybe I'll address her dog Milo, another video, not this one. I appreciate you all. Have a good day. Bye!